And these huts are able to stay here completely year-round because not only can they float on warm, peaceful lake water, but they also do just fine in the dead of winter. But at least in the winter, you get a great view of the northern lights.
For $5 million, you basically get a winter wonderland.
And while staying on this island, you're given unlimited 5-star food.
I think we should finish.
And even though this island comes with a luxury cabin to stay in,
oh, this is beautiful. Fine, I'll take it. Jimmy, buy it for
the
me.
gang ended up spending most of their time on the frozen lake, where they were able to ride an actual dog sled.
I took it look.
I don't know, any island's gonna beat that.
Maybe one where I can feel my hands.
Carl's hands are in luck because the next island is not only warm, but more expensive than all of the other islands combined.
This island is tiny, but arguably one of the most luxurious ones out there. Okay, let's get that out.
Oh, wow.
We're stoked to have you as our guest. We hope you have a blast. Just don't break anything.
Yo, we should try to break one.
Ooh, nice bathroom.
Usually, rich people like showers that can fit like 30 to 1,000 people in them. This time, they chose a reasonable shower.
When you pay $16 million, in addition to a shower that's the size of the $1 island, the private island comes with this helicopter that's apparently too big for the island.
We have jet skis, we have a submarine, another submarine to the right, we have a
Kuya,
third submarine.
kuya, ilan na yan?
There's almost a submarine.
Ha? Ilan na yan, kuya?
Have fun.
Ha? Ilan na yan? Ilan nga?
Tagal pa nga.
Di ko nakita.
16.
Ha?
16 minutes.
Anong oras na yung isa? Yung ano? Kuya. Ha?
5 minutes.
And after Ludwig and Carl kissed the sea at 500 miles per hour, we went back to shore to take a little breather.
Yeah, Ludwig's gonna jump out of a helicopter.
This helicopter is taking the boys up into the air and letting them jump in free fall into the ocean.
Oh my god. This is crazy. It's only a $16 million island. We're jumping out of helicopters. Whoever said money doesn't buy happiness doesn't own that private island. Because I'm pretty happy. And now the $45 million island. This island is so big, you can't even fit it all in frame. Oh, hey, I didn't realize they were videos. I always feel uncomfortable when I pull up to places and people are just standing potentially for hours. Where are you going?
There's someone very smoothies here.
Is it outside?
No,
He's not 21.
now we'll take you guys out and we'll take you around our island a little bit.
Let's see what $45 million gets us. It's a long path.
That's longer than the last island.
For $45 million, this island comes with a mansion and its own beachside bar and private chef.
Can I give it a float?
And outside of the mansion is a hot tub overlooking the cove where the jet skis are. And of course, a pool with the...
Kuya, ilan na? Ha, kuya?
Ganito man
And
ang
for some
nagtanong.
reason, you don't want to stay
Bala ka nga dyan. Hindi ko maaano yung ano.
inside cabanas.
Ano yun? 7?
Matapon din naman. Matapon din naman.
I have class. But even after messing around with all of the amenities, it's important to note that that's not what makes this island special. All the way on the other end of the island are situated ruins that we're going to explore.
Still driving.
Mamaya, kay Kuya Robin pa nga ako. Bali 140 lang. Out dito. May naglalako daw, ginagamit yung pangalan ni Kuya mo. Sa system, tsaka sa bahan sa tamali. Nilalako daw yung mga naka-tricycle, sabi ni Kuya mo daw. Dalawang po nakakawa ng pinapiling. Lalak daw sila Alf Pitolino.
We started to make our way through what used to be a village of people on this
Nakatingin
island.
lang ako siya kung paano kumatik sila ng dating niyo.
Yeah, you want to walk under this under your
Ilok daw nga kahapon.
surely it won't fall on top.
If today was the day
Ano ko nga daw?
we need to be mad.
Ilok ko ba yun?
Labo.
Just past these ruins is easily the best view on the entire island.
Labo.
Daw, ginagamit ang pangalan ni Kuya mo.
Ayun.
We were driving for so long.
Sabi mo, makakakoy mga nagnanako, hindi nagamit ang pangalan ni Alvin.
Parts over there, all the way around here, all the way around here, goes
Sabi
down
ko,
the coastline, all
Hindi nga ako kami nag-aaral. Tawag-tawag na bagsakan ng anak ko.
Nilipat mo, kuya.
Big jungle with some ancient
Parang ako di
ruins.
sumuko. Pag ako yung pala,
This next island is arguably the second most expensive island that money can buy.
Gaga.
This is the
Hindi pa alam ni Kuya, magagalit na rin mamaya yun.
It comes with 8 luxurious mega mansions. And the best part is, it's completely powered by solar panels and wind turbines. It's home to some of the most exotic animals.
Advanced skincare starts in your shower. New Double Zero Body Wash. Experience active levels of skincare. Get done. Or get mobile. Snip out of the day with
Kuya, lipat mo na yan. Inaano ko na eh, pinapanood ko na yung ads.
Hello mga kapatid, maraming po sa inyo mga kasama natin sa video na to. At siguro naman marami sa inyo nakakalam ng sagot kasi naka-mention din si Kuya King sa title ng video. Pero wala niyo pa rin. At ang sagot nyo ay Kuya King, sama kayo. Oh, magabay na rin, makakalaro ko na rin yung isa sa mga icon